How to fix Faceit Anti Cheat error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now, both processes is going to be the same. So all I have to do first is to do the very basic troubleshooting steps. First things first is, of course, go ahead to your Windows icon and type in Apps and Features. You will now then be redirected to your Apps and Features settings. And what you want to do from here is just look for your Faceit Anti Cheat and just simply have it uninstalled. And once you have successfully uninstalled it, try to re-download the anti-cheat from Faceit again and try to redo the whole process again if it resolves the issue. If not, then you'll have to delete the whole thing from Faceit Anti-Cheat. Now go ahead to your Windows icon again, then type in run. And here what you want to type in is just percentage app data and followed by percentage again. Hit on OK. And you'll be redirected to your administrative folders, and all you have to do from here is just to delete your Faceit Anti-Cheat folder. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to troubleshoot and fix Faceit Anti-Cheat error on Windows 10 and 11.